Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Surprise, it's a not a makeup. Surprise, it's a hair makeup video. It's not a makeup video, it's a hair video. My brain is not working anymore. My eyes look very blue in the camera. What's happening? I look disgusting right now because I just worked in a factory for 8 hours. It is 40 degrees there and it's literally the shittest job I've ever done in my entire life. Only do it in the summer though. Anyway, not here to talk about that. My hair looks disgusting. Like I said, I've been sweating a lot, but I didn't want to wash it yesterday because I knew I was gonna dye my hair. I'm disgusting. Okay, so I bleached my hair already. So my roots were like here and now they're gone. So I bleached them. If you want to know how I did that, I got this video where I bleached my complete hair. Which will explain you how I bleach my hair. So that's basically how I bleach my roots as well. But, okay. The brand that we're gonna be using for coloring my hair today is Wella Professionals, I guess. It's Illumina color and it is in the shade 1069. So basically what the color is like, I'll put it here, it's like grey. The other time I dyed my hair last time with a also grey-ish dye, but I don't remember which one it exactly was. I will put it here because I'm gonna search it through editing. But that wasn't supposed to turn out that grey, but it did turn out grey and I was like, kind of like this grey colour. So that's why I purchased this one. So I bought two because my hair is thick and I have a lot of hair because I'm a hairy person. Didn't choose to be this way. Thanks mom and dad. But yeah, we're gonna try this one. My camera is currently on 25%, which is great. And that means I won't be able to film everything. So, because it's also very boring and nobody wants to see me dye my whole hair because that's going to take an hour, I will just explain like what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do it, maybe film like the first bit of it, and then I'm going to charge my camera, and when I'm done we'll be back. What am I doing? I guess this is the part where I say let's get started. My brain's completely broke. Like obviously I'm not gonna wear my good clothes. Don't do that. Just wear something that can be dirty, can be like ruined, like an old shirt, something, or naked. Who cares? I am so lost. This one says the mix has to be 1:1. I had to search it again because it was quite a long time since I dyed my hair and I wasn't really sure what it meant again. So if it says 1:1, it's basically the same amount of hair dye as the developer, as you call it. There's like these weird, long, strange words when I was searching it, like what? Oh. Right, so what that means basically is that you have to put as much of this as the developer. Honestly, my brain is shutting down. So I got this little cup thing. I don't know what you call it in English. It's like to measure cup. Okay. So basically this is 60 milliliters. I know from experience that my hair's thick and I have a lot of hair, and one tube is not enough. Maybe now that I have short hair, maybe it is, but I'm pretty sure it's just not gonna be enough. Like, just not. But basically 60 of this, so that means we need 60 milliliters of this as well. Easy maths, like even I can do it. So you take a cup to measure this. What I'm using is this Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Premium Developer, 2%. Some people say that's not enough, but it works fine for me. So I don't know why people need to shit. It's full out. Okay, so we got this. I'm honestly the person that people look at, like especially hairdressers, and they go like, don't do that at home, go to a hairdresser. No, because I don't have money. I'm literally dyeing my hair right now for 20 quid. Just saying. Okay, then we got this little tube over here, and we are going to put it in the cup. I hope I don't fuck this up because I have a party tomorrow. Okay, so make sure it's all mixed well. I'm ready. I always put the last bit in a tail because that's the least important part. But I should be having enough. But you never know. Just that the most hair dye is on like the top bit, the longest. I don't know if that makes any sense and if that's got anything to do with it, but it's my theory and it works for me, so it's fine. I look like that prince from Shrek right now. Doesn't he have like long hair in some films? So I'm first just gonna start with one side. So this side is just gonna be forgotten for a bit. So I'll just do the first bit and film it, and then I'm gonna cut it. And I guess you should be wearing, what's it called? Gloves. But I never do that. Let's get this party started. Okay, it's happening. It's on the hair. So I got 1,000 mirrors, and that's basically how I dye my hair. I should be wearing gloves. I should be. Maybe I should get some. I'm gonna get some. Okay, I got some because it's the best thing to do. The fuck? And I don't know, just go over it. I have no idea if this is the right way to do it. I literally don't care. This is gonna take a long time. And that's what I'm gonna do basically. So I'm gonna put my camera on charge right now, and I'll see you. It is 12:30, 11:30 now, so 11:30. Shit. So let's see how long this takes. Okay, my camera doesn't charge for shit. It's still 25%, but we're all done. I'm scared because it looks pretty dark. It's like my hair is turning brown again or something. So I don't know how that's gonna work out. This is always a surprise for me, like fuck life, right? So now I think I'm just gonna wait like half an hour, I guess, and I'll be back with you. I don't know, I did not expect this. To be honest, when I was like showering, taking a shower, washing my hair, I was like, this is really dark, like I thought it was gonna be like white grey. This is like dark grey. We have to dry it and see what happens. What the hell? Okay, we are back. I didn't film yesterday. I don't even remember the last part I filmed. I remember my hair just like marinating, whatever we call it. And I got back here to wash it off and I was looking in the mirror like, what the actual fuck? It was so dark. Like I honestly, it looked like I dyed my hair brown again or something. So I was like searching again if I had the same hair dye, like if I didn't have the wrong one, if I didn't search it wrong or something. I was like, oh my god, my hair's gonna be so dark. And it kind of is. Like I don't know really how it looks on camera, because on camera it always looks different, but it's really great. I don't know, probably have made a picture of my hair when I post this, so I'll put it somewhere here if I did, but it's really grey. It's really grey here, and then towards the ends it just fades out and it has a bit more of my hair colour where the dye didn't get in that well, but overall it looks good. Well, grey hair for the win. The reason I wanted to do my hair grey is because I'm 22 and my back's fucked, I feel old, so might as well get grey as well. Either way, that was the video. I dyed my hair grey successfully. Yeah, that was it. So I'm very pleased, very happy. I'm going to partay tonight, and yeah, either way, thanks for watching, and yeah, just let me know if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you like hair dye videos, because it's definitely going to become more. I will never stop. And like this video if you liked it, and definitely don't forget to follow my Instagram. Yeah, I think that was it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!